Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I will be showing you how to fix Roblox stuck in loading screen. So there are several methods to fix this problem. So first you can just go to your task manager and here go to your details and search for Roblox. Press anywhere and type R. If there is any Roblox opened, then in that task and open it again. So if this doesn't work, then search for Windows Update. So if there are any updates, then do update your Windows. If not, then move to the next method. Here we have our Roblox player. Right click on it and click on Open File Location in this menu. So here you need to search for Roblox Player Beta. You need to right click on it and click on Properties. So here you in this window go to Compatibilities and enable both of these. Disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and OK. So after that, check if your problem has been fixed. So if it hasn't fixed, then you need to go to your Roblox player again, and here now go to properties in this menu, and again go to compatibility and make sure you have both of these enabled. If you haven't, then enable it, click on apply, then okay. Check if your problem has been solved. If it hasn't, then go to your network and internet settings. So once you get into network and internet, you need to click on this advanced network settings, which is located at the bottom of this page. So here you will see Wi-Fi and your network will be given right there. You just need to disable and enable it again. And after this, go on and open your Roblox. If it's still not showing it, then you just need to reinstall it. So what I recommend you to do is just while you're reinstalling, choose another platform. So if you had installed your Roblox player from the official Roblox website, try Microsoft Store. So here in Microsoft Store, search for Roblox and install it from here. So if you did Microsoft, then go to one of your browsers and search for the Roblox official site and install it from there. And these are all the steps you need to follow in order to fix this problem. And I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, do like the video, and if you want more of these, then do subscribe to the channel. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.